Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing for these two Tarmac models. They both are red. They both look awesome. And one is Ferrari. And this is Pandem Mazda RX-7. This one was previously released. And this one is the new. So we are going to unbox this one within a couple minutes. Before that, let's focus on this beautiful car. See, you might like to see this, but I like to see the one inside this. So let's open it up. Okay, this is a card. It's number 1684. So this means this is something like limited edition kind of. Let's put this on the side and focus on the car. Wow. Look at the shine on it. I should hold it with both hands. I don't want to throw it on the ground. Cars fall too much from my hands. Let me move it from the base. Okay, this one is, I'm not sure if it's going to work. Let me see if I can find another one. Actually, I have another screwdriver, but the screw is very tiny. It's not coming out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to pause this video. I'll arrange another screwdriver, unscrew this, and show it to you guys. Give me a moment. So I was able to unscrew this from the base, and here's your car. Here is your beautiful Pandem Mazda RX-7. Now let's bring the turntable closer and put this beautiful car in it. And before that, I should show you the base. See what we have here on the base. See that exhaust? Awesome. So this is your RX-7 Pandem from Tarmac. The rims look awesome with the 6-spoke. Look at those focus lights on the front with the radiator visible from the front. It really has really low stances. And look at this rear spoiler on this. It looks so amazing with the exhaust separately coming out. The color is so damn good on this car. I'm totally mind blown, and especially the livery it has on the side. Amazing custom, amazing. And now next we are going to open is this Ferrari. This is the latest release. I think this was released 1 or 2 weeks ago, or maybe 3, I don't remember, maximum 3. Actually, I don't want to damage this. And here we have our Ferrari. It's an Italia GT3 We don't have any card in this one like in the previous one. See this. This is an IXO collaboration, so probably I'm thinking actually maybe this one have plastic base. We'll see. Before that, have a look on that engine details. We have Ferrari logo, and you see those detailings and everything. Looks perfect, isn't it? And we have this antenna here as well. Okay, so you guys know I'm going to open this up by unscrewing it off camera. I don't want to break anything. It's very fragile. And I'll show you after. So successfully I was able to unscrew this, and it's a separate attachment. And here's your car. Let's just put this on the turntable and a closer look. In this one, we do not have any engine detailings, as you can see. Just the roll cage. Let's place it there and focus on our Ferrari. Here comes your Ferrari. Well, I don't have many models in my collection, but now I start to get more and more. This one do not roll good, but other than that, everything looks so perfect on this car. The color is amazing, the wheels look so damn good. It does have 0 on it. Look at the front. It is very stock and normal kind of, but still it looks crazy. It's an amazing Ferrari, and especially I like that how they put these exhausts on it with that antenna on the rooftop. These are the small details that we collectors love, right? I love it, man. I love it. Today's unboxing is done. So guys, that was your today's unboxing of Tarmac Pandem RX-7 and this Ferrari Italia. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. There are many more awesome videos are on the way. Till then, see you in the next one. Bye bye.